Maddie's Funhouse. Alright, Disney Blizzard Beach. Woo!
Alright, so they call it a Blizzard Beach. Why, guys?
Because the water was cold.
The water's cold?
No,
Maddie.
it's because it used to be a place for snow, but the snow melted, so that's why it's a beach.
That's right.
Maddie, look at that. Look it up at the sky.
Oh my god. Is that what we're doing?
Yes. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you see the mountain, Ollie? Hey guys, today there's no smiling.
Yeah, there is.
Oliver? Absolutely no smiling. All right, Ted, no smiling.
No smiling today.
Yeah, it's a no smile day. Look at that, guys.
Look, Ollie.
Woo!
That's what I'm going now.
Yeah, you guys, you're over there, you can't go down. You're not big enough.
But look at this. Here they go.
It's
Woo!
This is our home base right here. Hey, Ollie. Say hi.
hi. Wait,
Look over there.
No line. This is amazing.
It's cold, man.
Oh
my god! Oh my god!
Why are you screaming?
They go fast!
Whoa!
Just relaxing.
Oh my god!
It's just relaxing.
Yeah.
They surf.
Woo! Oh, backwards!
Look at that.
Oh boy!
Oh, right here's a cliff. Here's a cliff right here, Maddie.
What? Oh my god!
Oh!
That was crazy!
That was crazy?
Oh my god!
What do you think of it?
Nice!
Ted?
That was awesome.
Yeah. There's a famous Mickey. Do it, do it, do it. Yeah! Come on, Maddie! Woo! There you go.
This water's extra warm.
Ready? Oh, yeah!
Cool.
Oh, we fall down. Boo!
She's hanging.
Oh, she's down in the water. Go, Maddie! Woo! Come on, Ollie. Woo! Yeah! You did it!
You can barely touch there. It's 8 feet.
Is that awesome?
Yeah.
Good job, Oz.
You okay? All right.
Cool.
Good job, Daddy.
High fives. You did it. You held on. Go do it again.
Hey.
Walk, walk, walk.
You did it.
You did it.
You're good.
Round 2. And she goes. Woo! Good girl. Come on, Ollie. Woo! Yeah. Good job.
This side.
Here we go. We're going to the snowstormers. All right, so we return our mats here.
And then we'll do it again. I want to do that. Can we do that?
Here, you want to do that one next?
Yeah, we can do that one next.
We gotta go back up.
What'd you think, Ollie?
It was scary.
Scary, but fun.
I have a joke.
What's your joke?
What does funnel cake do? Make you funny.
Ah, funnel cake makes you funny. That's cute. Ah, you are funny. Let's taste it. You finally got your funnel cake at Disney.
Now you're going to be funny.
Good?
Oh, this is good. Oh, boy.
Oh my God! That's no good. No. That's good. Mom, that's really good. Oh my God! My God! Oh my God!
Okay.
First, we're gonna go get our stuff, get something warm, and we're gonna go to the gift shop and look around. I thought we were going to get mini donuts.
Do you want a mini donut?
Yeah, I want a